With the Jet USA RW545, you'll look forward to the satisfaction of blasting your way through cleaning jobs. With awesome portability, convenience, and a water-cooled motor that delivers maximum power and extended performance, you can knock over all sorts of tasks. With the Very nozzle, you can adjust to the perfect pressure you need. The turbo head tackles the tough jobs while protecting the more vulnerable surfaces. You'll be able to keep your pride and joy in pristine condition. With the included foam cannon, you can easily apply suds in no time, thoroughly clean and protect paintwork. With the surface cleaner attachment, you'll make light work of areas like driveways, decks, and patios. Plus, the gentle scrubbing rotary brush head gives you even more cleaning options. At Jet USA, we're serious about results. How about you?